Hi there and welcome to Canadians.Live. Thank you for watching this video. Canadians.Live is a website that has a forum, a YouTube channel, a Facebook page that talks all new things, all things about life in Canada, how beautiful Canada is, and also we get some news, Canadian news, and also immigration news and all the things that we follow up. So today, as you see here, this is our Canadians.Live website. Please visit it. And also we have our YouTube channel here. As you see, it is Canadians.Live too. Please don't forget to subscribe and share all the videos, and you see all the fun videos here. And also this is our Facebook page. Everything you can find it on the right hand side here. And now let's come to the great news. So basically, this news here is for the people who are looking to cross the borders and claim refugee here. So basically through the legal, so through the real borders, not the ones that are not the unofficial. I'm talking about the official borders. So basically, previously what used to be there is that a law that if anyone comes to the borders and the Canadian-U.S. borders and claim refugee, basically they have to be returned back because there is a treaty agreement between, which is called the Safe Third Country Agreement, STCA. Now, and so the people who claims refugee, they will be returned back and they will not be accepted. So what happened is, like yesterday, there was a court order by the federal court that this rule is, as you can see here, this is the news from CBC News, Global News. It says here, federal court rules Canada-U.S. Safe Third Country Agreement is unconstitutional. So basically, so people, as you can see here, the federal court has ruled that Safe Third Country Agreement, STC, which allows Canada to send certain refugee claimants back to the United States, is unconstitutional, as repeated here. So the decision basically was released yesterday, Wednesday, from Justice Anne MacDonald explicitly state that the U.S. is no longer a safe country for refugees sent back from Canada due to the risk of imprisonment. So basically, right now, if anyone comes and claim refugee in the Canadian borders, will not be returned back, and so basically they'll be accepted, and then it goes to the court and all those things. So, and more about this news. So I'll just open this recorded video about this news here from basically from Global News itself, as you can see here. So let's check it out.
Asifa can barely speak about her family without breaking down.
My husband in a jail now. My kids is suffering, even me I'm suffering now because I think about my kids.
Asifa is from Uganda. Rife with political violence and unrest, she says some of her family members were killed and her husband arrested. So she fled, leaving behind her 5 children, hoping to claim asylum for her family in the United States. But when she crossed from Mexico into the U.S., she says she was arrested and detained for 4 months.
U.S. is not safe. People suffering in the jail.
After her release, she fled north to Canada, crossing at an unsecured spot along the border into Quebec. Had she requested asylum at an official border crossing, she would have been turned away, thanks to a controversial agreement between Canada and the U.S. The Safe Third Country Agreement is the target of protests and now a federal court challenge. The law allows Canada to refuse asylum seekers that arrive from the U.S. Refugee rights advocates say it violates the Canadian Constitution. The Safe Third Country Agreement was introduced back in 2004, but was recently thrust back into the national spotlight after Donald Trump moved into the White House.
We've seen incredible erosion of refugee rights in the United States.
The Trump administration's crackdown on illegal immigration has sparked a record rush of refugees fleeing the U.S. to Canada.
They know that under the current administration in the United States, their chances of having a positive refugee hearing is quite slight.
A loophole in the Safe Third Country Agreement allows asylum seekers who arrive via non-official border crossings to stay in Canada while their claims are heard. The Trudeau government wants to close that loophole and shut the door.
Please, we asking the government of Canada, help us, we need to stay here because we are safe now.
If this week's court challenge is successful, the government could be forced to suspend the agreement, which would allow asylum seekers, regardless of where they arrive, to have their day in court. Jeff Semple, Global News, Toronto.
So basically, this is the news. So now the federal court order is being accepted. Now, what I want you guys to know. So we don't want. So this is a federal court, right? So now, if you go to the immigration website, see what it says. It's a big warning here. It says that Canada-U.S. Safe Third Country Agreement, Safe Third Country Agreement remains in effect. So it is still in effect. So basically, it's not being implemented. Yes, it is a federal court. As you can see here, we are reviewing the federal court decision released on July 22nd. So basically, they're still reviewing it. The court suspended its declaration of the unconstitutionality of the regulation enhancing the Safe Third Agreement for a period of 6 months during the STC continues to remain in effect. So basically, it is still in effect. So basically, individuals who are entering Canada at the land port of entry continues to be ineligible. Make sure about this. It's ineligible to make refugee claims and will be returned to the U.S. unless they meet the one of the relevant exceptions under the STCA. So basically, it is not in effect right now. So yes, you will hear the news everywhere and everyone will spread this news, a lot, and people will just start coming to the borders and claiming refugee. So they have to know, and you have to let them know that it's still not in effect yet. So Immigration Canada is still reviewing this. Please let them know, let all people that do not go to the border and claim refugee yet. So basically, they have to wait until the decision from the Immigration Canada will be decided. So I will leave the link from CBC, from Global News under this video. And also I'll leave the link for the Immigration Canada about this news also under this video. And please read it carefully and subscribe, share subscribe to our channel and share the video, and don't forget to like and ring the bell so if there is any good news or anything about trips that we go, about fun, about stores. So all, as you can see here, it's a lot of videos here. So we have the playlist of weekly vlog, trips and funs, kids time, news release, advices by Canadian residents, shopping, Canada, beneficial living, live, and all those things. So I hope you enjoy this video and share the news, and thank you very much for watching. And also, if you want to join us in our website here, this is the link for our website. This is the forum. We have a lot of discussions there about life in Canada. We have a Facebook page, Facebook group. We have a TikTok. We always upload nice videos in TikTok and Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you for watching and have a good day.